Hey, stop scrolling for a second. Do you know you are living in the middle of the biggest revolution of our time? AI is no longer a future, it's a reality right now. If you are not using AI tools, you are falling behind. Yes, I said falling behind. It's happening right now and it's reshaping everything from the way how we work, the way how we create, and the very way how we think. Everything is changing right now because of AI. Let me give you an example. Think about a profession like graphic designer, a task that used to take hours. Creating detailed art or visuals now can be done in minutes using tools like DALI and Midjourney. And it's just not designers, writers, marketer, coder, even content creator. In every field, they are using AI to go ahead. If you are not doing the same, you are at the risk of being replaced by those who are. It's like being the part of the internet revolution in 90s but never bothering about how to learn to use email. That is the FOMO you should feel right now if you are not delving into AI. So the question raises, where do I start? AI might seem complex, but there is one simple skill that can make the difference, and that is prompt engineering. Think of it like AI is your genie, and your prompts are your wishes. The better your prompts are, the better your results. It's that simple. With prompt engineering, you can guide your AI to create exactly what you want. Tweak its responses to match your style or tone. Save hours of time by getting the right output at the first time. Let me show you how this works. You need creative ideas, use this prompt. Give me 5 creative business idea in AI. Want to summarize an article? Use this prompt. Summarize this article in 3 bullet points. See, it's not about knowing everything. It's all about asking the right questions. Here is where it gets even better. By mastering things like temperature setting, your model's creativity and how strict the model is gonna be. You can decide it by setting the temperature of the LLM. But don't worry, if these terms sounds confusing, I have got your covered. Whether you are just starting or want to master advanced techniques, this free playlist will help you with that. And the best part, it has only I think 9 videos and they are about 10 minutes long. It's not gonna take you too much time to learn the basics and even advance of it. Listen, AI is just not a trend. It's a technology that is reshaping industries and lives. The people who use it today are the ones who will lead the future. So ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the future? Or will you just watch others zoom ahead while you are left wondering what you have missed? The links in the description box. And to start your journey today, watch the playlist and experiment with the prompts I have shared and start using AI like a pro. Don't wait. This is your chance. Go ahead and watch the playlist. See you in the next video. Till then, happy prompting.